Kia ora, I'm David Chester with 90 at 9, brought to you by interest.co.nz. This week at everything you need to know in 90 seconds at 9 o'clock. With news, equity markets are gripped by stagflation fears today, with substantial sell-offs underway worldwide, especially for tech firms. An article by the Minneapolis Fed's Kashkari didn't help, suggesting a recession may be necessary to kill off inflation. In the US, inflation expectations have fallen from record highs in data released overnight, but remain very elevated. For the year ahead, they fell to 6.3% in April from a record high of 6.6% in March, mainly because consumers see the price of fuel falling. They see house prices rising 6% and incomes up only 3%. 3-year ahead inflation expectations rose slightly to 3.9%. Meanwhile, American wholesale inventory levels rose only a marginal 2.3% in price terms in March, confirming they remain very low in volume terms. More crucially, the inventory to sales ratio remains at cycle lows, showing there is no build-up usually associated with a looming recession. And exports from China rose by just 3.9% in April from a year earlier, but beating market forecasts of 3.2%, and moderating sharply from an almost 15% rise in March. The latest data marked the slowest increase in shipments in nearly 2 years, as tighter COVID curbs halted factory production and caused congestion at key ports. China's imports didn't grow at all, emphasising the domestic stall underway there. Iron ore imports fell 7%, although oil imports were resilient. It was a second consecutive month of zero import growth for them. The US Treasury 10-year yield starts today down 8 basis points since this time yesterday at 3.06%. And as expected, Wall Street has started the week lower. The S&P 500 is down 2.6% in Monday afternoon trade. Overnight, European markets all fell about 2.3%. Yesterday, Tokyo fell 2.5%. Hong Kong was closed for a holiday and Shanghai ended little changed. The ASX 200 ended its Monday session down 1.2%, while the NZX 50 ended down almost 2%. And the price of gold starts today down $25 since this time yesterday at $1,858 an ounce. And oil prices are sharply lower today at just under $102 a barrel in the US, that's down $7.50, while the international Brent price is now just over $105 a barrel. And the Kiwi dollar will open today down 0.75 cents at 63.3 US cents and another near 2-year low. The devaluation since the start of April is now up to 9.2%. Against the Australian dollar, we're slightly firmer at 91 Australian cents. Against the euro, we're also sharply lower at 60 euro cents. That all means our trade-weighted index starts today at 70.8 and its lowest since mid-February. On a trade-weighted index basis, the devaluation since the start of April is now up to 5.2%. And the Bitcoin price is down another 8.2% from this time yesterday at $31,260. At the beginning of April, it was $47,294. So it's now down 34% since then and down 54% since its November 2021 peak. Volatility over the past 24 hours has been extreme, at just over plus or minus 5.9%. We welcome your feedback. Leave a comment below or on our website. Kia ora, I'm David Chaston. That was 90 at 9, brought to you by interest.co.nz.